Chapter 2, Section 9. Calculator, simplifying expressions. I'm not going to so much worry about this page here, other than up here it says you can use a calculator to simplify expressions. First, decide which operation to do first. It will be helpful to write some of your answers on paper. That's most important. So you're definitely going to want to utilize lined piece of paper and a pencil to keep track of which order. Now, in your chapter 2 folder, you will have tools folder, I should say, your chapter 2 tools folder, you will have the order of operations sheet here. Remember, you are working from top to bottom. But in your problem, if you have a problem like 9 squared divided by 2 plus 14 times 11 minus 2 in parentheses minus 15, you're going left to right. Okay? So you're looking for parentheses, then exponents, multiplication, and division. You do get to use a calculator on this page. There, absolutely. That's what the whole point is to make sure you understand how to put these in. So, for example, number one, again, the biggest thing for you guys to do is write these down on a lined piece of paper. When you have it written, don't look at your numbers, look at your operations. I have a subtraction, I have an addition, and I have a division. So, according to my order of operations cheat sheet, I don't have parentheses and I don't have exponents in number one. I do not have multiplication. I do have division. And remember, these are color coded the same color because they can be flipped. Whatever comes first, you do first. So I'm going to do division first. 48 divided by 3 would give me 16. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So I guess I could show you. Let's go on to a different page here. Let's write this problem that we have here. So number one, it is 29. That's supposed to be a 29 minus 16 plus 48 and divided by 3. Oh, that's so horrible. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm just going to do this for time constraints. So there's my 3. Okay. And so I've already circled, so I won't go back in and circle these for you. But subtraction, addition, division is what you're looking at. I'm going to do my little caret piece. I know I have to do 16 as my answer. And then what have I not done? All right, I haven't done the addition. I haven't done the 16. And I haven't done this. And I haven't done the 29. So I'm going to bring all of those down. Now I look at my operations again. I have subtraction, or I have addition. And if you look over here, down at the bottom, addition and subtraction, but they're color coded the same. Whatever comes first, do first. So in this problem, 29 minus 16 should be done first. 29 minus 16 is going to give me 13. Sorry about that. I'm not sure why. So a little caret. Here's my 13. And then I'm going to do my addition, and I did not use, and my 16 I did not use. And now I'm just simply adding 13 plus 16 up to get my final answer. There's my little caret top of 29. So the answer to number one would be 29. So I do not have much on this page here where it just kind of tells you how to input what you're inputting. You already know that. But when you do lined piece of paper today, write the problems out and keep track, like I did here, of what you're doing and circle the operations to help you keep track of which ones you have to do first in reference to your order of operation sheets that's right here. Exponents. So you should be skipping the exponents, but you will have parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All right, you are doing page 1, numbers 1 through 12.